this bag right here. I'm so excited because this is an order I made from Ohayou. Ohayou is a UK based kind of kawaii brand. I've had a jumper from them before, I believe, and yeah, I ordered one of the bird bags, the Itabags. I never know if it's pronounced Ita or Ita or something else. I might be completely wrong anyway, but it arrived this morning and I'm so excited to get into it. It is one of the seconds ones. Like, they did the normal ones, they did B grade ones, and they did C grade ones. I got a B grade one because I figured, knowing me, in a few days the bag would be B grade anyway. So I think it was like £12 less for a B grade one. So I'm a cheapskate. So, and they had the one that I wanted, so I ordered it. It's actually bigger than I was expecting it to be. Take out my order invoice. Oh, this is so beautiful. It's all wrapped up in bubble wrap and everything. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys. Look. It's so beautiful. It's a magpie Itabag. Oh my god, this is insane. This is so nice. This material is gorgeous. I can't really see anything that's wrong with it that will make it a B grade. The straps are in here. Inside, plenty of room. Flattened out and everything. There's wings and everything on here. Oh, it's so precious. It's so precious. Look at the little tail. I love this so much. So inside there is a zippy pocket. On the other side there is another pocket. There's so much room in here. Like, there's a lot more room. It's a lot bigger than I was expecting it to be. So on the back, even like this part has got detail on it. And then you have the Ohayou logo on there. Then you clip your straps on here. I honestly can't see why this is B grade. It's so nice. I know that they said like maybe there was like a little bit of deformation on this, but I think probably like putting a little bit of heat on it would probably flatten it all out. Then to get into it, get into the actual part where you put your pins, it's that way. Oh, it's so adorable. Add the straps. Let me add them as long as they will possibly go, because when I was a kid I always used to have essentially my backpack just hanging off of my back. No joke. Okay, these straps seem very long and I'm very happy. I think that is going to be perfect. I'm sorry guys. Don't mind me, I'm just setting out the strap. I make it look a lot more difficult than it is, right? Okay. We got our straps on. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. And when these this flips down, oh, it's so cute. I'm so glad I got the magpie. I was gonna get the crow, but then I thought like it's just all black, which kind of fits me, but This one is adorable. I love the little cheeks and the little hearts on the eyes. Yeah. I'm well impressed with that. So, yeah, this is my order from Ohayou. So, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next one. Adios!